Hi, Laura. How are you today?
Hi, Michael. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. I was thinking about places in our city again.
You always think about places.
Yes, because there are so many interesting places here.
That's true. For example, the city center is one of my favorite places.
Yes, the city center is always busy and colorful.
I like the small shops on the main street.
Oh, yes, they are nice. My favorite is the bookstore there.
I like that bookstore too. It's quiet and full of books.
And the staff always smiles.
Yes, they are very friendly.
What do you think about the post office downtown?
It's big and clean, but the line is always long.
Yes, every time I go, I wait a long time.
But the service is good, so I don't mind.
That's true.
Do you like the bank on Central Street?
Yes, that bank is modern. The chairs are comfortable.
And the workers help quickly.
Yes, that's important for a bank.
I also like the big park near the river.
The park is beautiful. There are many trees there.
And a little lake, too.
I like watching ducks on the lake.
Me too, it's peaceful.
What about the mountains near our city?
Ooh, the mountains are wonderful.
They are a good place for fresh air.
I don't go often, but I love them.
Same here.
Have you been to the Science Museum?
Not yet, but I want to.
It's a really interesting place. Many fun things to see.
I like museums. They are calm and quiet.
Yes, and you can learn new things.
What do you think about the old train station?
The old train station is beautiful.
I like the big clock on the building.
Yes, it looks classic.
The new train station is bigger, but the old one is nicer.
I agree.
Airports are interesting places too.
Yes, airports feel exciting.
Many people come and go.
I like watching airplanes take off.
Same here. It feels like travel and adventure.
What about bus stations?
Bus stations are useful, but always noisy.
Yes, but buses are convenient.
True. What do you think about offices?
Offices are usually quiet.
Sometimes too quiet.
Yes, that's true.
I like offices with big windows.
Me too. Natural light is nice.
Factories are very different.
Yes, factories are loud and busy.
Many people work hard in factories.
Yes, they do.
Do you like restaurants in our city?
Yes, the Italian restaurant near the river is my favorite.
I know that place. The pasta is very good.
And the music is soft and relaxing.
I like places with soft music.
What about cafes?
I love cafes. My favorite cafe is the one with blue chairs.
Oh, yes, the one near the bridge?
Yes, their coffee is amazing.
I love the smell of that place.
Bakeries are also nice places.
Yes, fresh bread smells so good.
There's a bakery near my home that sells great cakes.
That sounds wonderful.
The supermarket near the stadium is big.
Yes, I go there sometimes.
It has everything: food, clothes, cleaning products.
And the price is good too.
Yes, not too expensive.
Do you like small shops?
Yes, small shops feel warm and friendly.
And sometimes they have special items you don't see anywhere else.
Exactly.
Markets are fun places too.
Yes, open air markets have fresh fruits and vegetables.
And sometimes handmade things.
I like the colorful stands.
What do you think about hospitals?
Hospitals are clean and important, but I don't like going there.
Me neither, but they help people.
Yes, doctors and nurses work very hard.
That's true.
Pharmacies are useful places.
Yes, easy to find what you need.
And pharmacists explain everything clearly.
Yes, very helpful.
The fire station is also an important place.
Definitely. Firefighters are brave.
They protect the whole city.
Yes, I respect them a lot.
Do you know the new sports center?
Yes, it has a big gym and the swimming pool.
The swimming pool is very clean.
And the gym has new machines.
I like places that are modern and clean.
The music school is also a nice place.
I saw it once. It looks beautiful inside.
Yes, many students learn piano there.
That's lovely.
The cinema on Hill Road is very comfortable.
Yes, the seats are big and soft.
And the sound is amazing.
I like watching movies there.
Do you know the art gallery near the park?
Yes, it has many paintings there.
The place is small but very quiet.
Quiet places are perfect for thinking.
The old library near the church is one of my favorite places.
Oh, yes, the old library is beautiful.
It has a special smell of old books.
I love that smell.
Me too.
Wow, we talked about so many places today.
Yes, and we didn't move at all.
We traveled the whole city just by talking.
That's the best kind of travel. No walking.
Yes, very easy.
I enjoyed this conversation.
Me too.
Let's talk about more places next time.
Sure, I would like that.
Great. See you next time, Michael.
See you, Laura.